Hello, my name is Osvaldo Chaparrueda. I am 41 years old and like to read fantasy history. The wall is the fort on the right and peak in my free time. I live in Acacias Meta. During the last vacations, I did travel to Cartagena and visit my parents. After being on San Andres Island, I did enjoy to see the beach and the sun for 3 days. I live with my brother Carlos and my sister Elena. We live in a small house near the downtown city. I am studying system engineering. Today we are going to learn how to cook a delicious rice with herb. For this we are going to need the following ingredients. Share 500 grams, 1 small onion, carrot 200 grams, peas 250 grams, 3 tablespoons soy sauces, 6 servings of previously cooked white rice, salt and black pepper to taste, olive oil. How to prepare the rice mixture? First, we proceed to wash and clean the chip very well. After that, they will place our pan on the stove for a little olive oil. Then we are placing the chip to be free and we can and finally chop it on. Next, we proceed to add salt, black pepper, and soy sauce. Later, pre-cooked rice, this carrot and peas. Mix all the ingredients and finally and more mass soy sauces. Eventually, let it rest for 5 minutes and last off on the joy and delicious rice with chef. Thank you.